Brrr. It's cold. It's cold, and there's snow on the ground. To my friends down under and in the warmer climates, bless you. I wish I was there with you to soak up some sun. My bones are cold. It's just cold. I don't like the cold. 10 more days. 10 more days. This is day number 14. And there's Miss Coco right behind me. She's going to bark at us. Here we go. Let's guess a stocking. Let's see what's in this one. Coco says it better be food. Oh, okay. This is something I don't have. But I thought this would be the coolest thing. So let me pull it up here. If I can get a hold of the computer. All right. Let's go over here to Amazon. And see where we can find this. This is Alex Anderson's 4-in-1 Essential Sewing Tool. It's $19.06 on Amazon. Right there it is. Well, shoot. Alright, let's see what this little thing is. Here it's $21, $20.14. I'm going to bring y'all around here so you can see it with me. Right here. Oh, here it is. Can y'all see that? But there's what it is. Let's go down here. It says it is a seam ripper, stiletto, presser, and turner, all in one. That just seems like that would be the neatest little thing to have everything together. It says a 4-in-1 tool for use in applique quilting techniques such as freezer paper applique. We might do that sometime. Needle turn applique. Really don't know what that is, but we'll learn. We'll figure it out. And foundation paper piecing. It includes a seam ripper, which we all know we need more seam rippers. A stiletto. That's what we had yesterday or day before, right here. A presser, and I guess you could use that as like a little presser on the back of this stiletto here. And a turner, which you don't want to use anything real sharp to turn with. That's the reason we have a chopstick. Is a thin point, extra sharp blade to cut away unwanted stitches without damaging your fabric. An extra long stiletto. I just think this would be a very handy item to have in your. It basically is like this right here. It's got a stiletto on one end, a seam ripper on the other, and then the covers that go over them are a turner, and then your little thing like this that you can press with. So it's 4 things. It's basically this right here, but this end has a seam ripper on it, and it has a cover that goes over it that looks like it's like a little point turner that's not real sharp, that comes down to something kind of like this. So it'd be real handy to have, easy to use. That would be a great little stocking stuffer item. It would be a great secret sewing sister item. Sewing buddies in their little sewing baskets. That would be a great item to put in there. It's a good little thing. Here it is right here, $18.86. They're different prices. You just have to price shop when you're on Amazon a lot of times. because you don't necessarily get the cheapest price. But that was today's, our 4-in-1 tool. I just thought that was just the neatest thing. 9 more. We've only got 9 more stockings hanging on our tree. Oh, I just heard Mr. Andy. Y'all, I cooked us a big pot of soup beans for supper tonight because it's so cold. It is so cold. And y'all gonna hear me say that all winter long. It's so cold. I even put a scarf on, just in the house. I hadn't been out the door. I hadn't even opened the door today because it's cold. So I wrapped a scarf around my head, around my neck, because if my neck can stay warm, the rest of me kind of stays warm. So y'all come back tomorrow for day number 15. Yes, 15. We're down to just 9 stockings left. Christmas is almost here. If you got your shopping done, your gifts wrapped, your tree up, your decorations done, your menu made, everything you're going to cook. I've got my menu. We do the same thing. It's a traditional Christmas that we do, traditional English Christmas on Christmas Eve. So the menu stays the same. Shopping is, I've got a couple things to pick up, and I've got some things I'm waiting on to be delivered. But I should be good. I shouldn't have to buy anything else. I should be good. So y'all come back tomorrow. I might even bring y'all along one day when I'm up here wrapping gifts. Would you like to see me wrap gifts? I used to be a professional gift wrapper. I did. It used to be my job. It was, and it was so much fun. I love to make pretty packages. I just think they make the tree. I just think you just need pretty packages under your tree. I love to make pretty packages. I'm not into the gift bag, just throw it and tissue it and do. No, that's not me. That needs to be in a box, wrapped with tissue paper and a pretty bow and, all the fun stuff on top. Yeah, that's what we need to do. So I'll bring y'all back when I come up here one day to wrap gifts, and I'll just bring y'all along with me while I'm wrapping. How's that sound? All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow.